guys, what is going on? How are you guys today? If you're new to the channel, my name is Tamaine, and as always, most of my vlogs will be starting off in the car because I always run out of time doing things. Coming upon my Civic here that's been sitting for a week and a half. Haven't even looked at that thing. I'm so sick and tired of that Civic already, man. So much money into it. Not a lot of money, but I just bought the car a month ago and it's a lot of money for it to be sitting already. I gotta get tires today and I gotta get some more parts, tie rod ends for this car. I already picked up a few, but those are the inner tie rods right there. I gotta actually get some outer tie rod ends for this car, so then I can place them on my car tomorrow in my class. I just made it back on over to the Speedy Tires to check and see if they got some tires in stock today. How's it going, man?
Hey, what's up, man?
You guys got a new shipment? It looks like it, right?
Yeah.
Already? You know, I'm looking for, like, I got the 255s on the front, so I just want anything from 255 or bigger on the rear. I just need two for the rear. So if you got 255, 265, 275.
Yeah, 275, right?
Yeah, these are 275s. But
You want to change them? Are they bad?
yeah, they're bad. They're bad. I mean, they're still good, but
Yeah.
even on, dude, I spin out so much, even on like roads like this, I can't even floor it a little bit. I'll get sideways easy, and then the snow too. So
Yeah, the snow, yeah.
this car is right now, I had a Civic, but
Yeah.
this car is more reliable than my Honda Civic right now.
Really?
So yeah, because my Civic, it broke down on me, so I gotta drive this until, but I am selling it.
Nicer.
Yeah, it is way nicer, but it's up for sale though. But I just wanna, if I sell it to someone
Yeah.
and they never drove a Mustang, like, it's so wild, bro. You can't drive this thing in the snow or even whatever. Okay, so he's gonna go and check and see whatever other sizes he got and whatnot. I hope that he has the sizes, because this is 3:30 right now. I gotta be at work by 4, and I'm trying to rush to get these tires because I'm gonna put the tie rods in and everything in my class tomorrow, and then get an alignment and everything. So it'd be great to put some new tires on, get an alignment within tomorrow. Just get that all done or whatever. This car is very dirty, man. It is so hideous right now, but I'm not gonna wash it because it's gonna rain tonight. They don't have the tires that I need, especially when you got wider tires. They're gonna be harder to find. Unlike, you know, the smaller tires that you need on regular cars, they're more easier to find and more cheaper. But yeah, I'll catch you guys probably in tomorrow's video, putting the tie rods in on the car. Boom, guys. Transferred over onto the class. We got my car on the lift right now. I got my outer tie rods right here, and I got my inner tie rods right here. That's what we're gonna install today up here in the class. About to get the car in the air, you know, take the wheels off, and then,
Are you still gonna sell it?
yeah, it's still up for sale. It's still up for sale. Few buyers, but a lot of people offering some, you know, stupid offers and everything as usual. But as you can see, we can get under here and look at the tires. It's actually not that bad. I would think I would have seen a lot of wires showing, but it's still bad. It's like bald here. Like, this should be deep and grooved. There's like nothing at all, nothing. So, all right, guys. So first, we're gonna remove to get this off. This is cotter pin to get this capsule nut off right here. We're torching the bolt right now, so it can be easier to come off. We got the cotter pin out on this side. It's up here, and the capsule nut right here, and also on that side. First things we want to get out, but then nextly, we want to get this bolt off that we're heating up right here on each side to get it loose easy, since it's already still on the knuckle. And just like butter, get that one loose. I get this one loose. Guys, for top of convenience, we already did the other side. We just replaced the outer tie rod because the inner tie rod was fine. So now I'm just show you guys right here. I'm just gonna get this capsule nut off with the impact. Obviously, since I'm in this class, everything's gonna be much easier because I got the air tools, we got heat and everything. But you can get this off at home with your regular impact gun, or if you wanna take a wrench and put it on here, you get a breaker bar to get it off as well. But I'm gonna get this capsule nut off right here, and then we're gonna hammer this down and out. Lose that one. Last time I lost this capsule nut inside of here, and it took me like 15 minutes to get a dang on capsule nut off. But we got the capsule nut off right here, which is holding on our outer tie rod onto the knuckle right here. Yeah, this thing's not coming out. When you guys want to try this?
I'll give it a try.
I'm sweating, bro. My gosh. All right, so my classmate over here hit it some more, and he got this one to come out. So take it off. You want to count how many threads
3,
it takes to come off.
5.
So then you can get your alignment and toe everything back as close as possible. 22. All right, so it took 22 spins to get the outer tie rod off. So just throw some anti-seize on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 19, 20, 21, 22. All right, so we're gonna keep it right here at 22, and then this jam nut right here, we're just gonna tighten it so it can lock in at 22. So, as you guys seen, we were struggling to get the outer tie right here off this the knuckle right here, so we're just gonna throw some little anti-lock right here on the bottom, so then it can be easier to get it off for next time. All right, so guys, as you can see, you gotta put the capsule nut back on, but then you gotta put a cotter pin through here as well. So we're gonna tighten this down to like 35 to 45 foot-pounds of torque.
So we're just gonna do this until we see a little bit of grease coming out of the boots here.
All right. So now we're just gonna put grease on both sides. This side here and the other side.
You make me famous?
Got Professor Matt over here at COD. If you guys ever decide to take automotive class at COD, make sure you sign up for Professor Matt.
You see how the grease just started coming out of the boot here?
Yeah, so we're good.
So just do that to the other side. You should be good to go.
All right, so we got a grease coming out, and we're all good. I'm
What
gonna grease
happens
the
if I
other
got a
side.
warrant off of my arrest? And stuff?
Oh well,
Yeah,
all right. Not in the video anymore.
Just saying
Throw
Professor
in the
Joe
face.
or something like that. One of the other guys.
All right. All right, guys, we got the car on the floor, you know, thanks to my buddy Andre, and I think the other guy named Greg helped me out with installing the tie rods. Honestly, installing tie rods is not hard at all. I've postponed doing tie rods on a car in my previous cars that I had because I thought it'd be hard, but I mean, you know what you're doing, you got the tools, definitely makes the job easier. And it definitely made the job even more easier since I gotta live here, and we got all the tools and we got heat here in this class, so that's a good thing about the class that I'm taking here at COD, the automotive class. And it's a beginner's class too, so you get to bring your car in, work on it, save a lot of money instead of taking it to the you know, repair shop or whatever. I wish I could bring my Honda Civic in here, but the Honda Civic won't even make it here, so I don't know what to say about that thing. But yeah, guys, basically done. I torqued the wheels down. We got all the torque specs all good. About to head out of here, and I'm probably about to go ahead and get some more tires. As you guys can see, I did not get in alignment because we ran out of time in class. And as you can see, my steering wheel is just slightly off. You see it's tilted to the left a little bit instead of straight. And if I do turn it straight, then I'll go over oh, there's a cop. The toe is just slightly off. I can get an alignment at this tire shop that I have a warranty for, but I'm just gonna get an alignment next week in class, so then, you know, the other students in class that have like that are taking other parts of the class can just, you know, practice on aligning cars or whatever. So I'm gonna give benefit of that and wait till Tuesday to align the car. I'm not gonna do too much driving, and it's not too bad driving like this, so I'll be all good. The alignment's not really that bad. Yeah, can I get that 3 for $3? One McChicken, one small fry, and one Sprite.
Any meal?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's your YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Just let me put on your phone. How many subscribers you got?
300 around there, a little plus.
So what do you do? These videos-
Car stuff.
Car stuff?
Yeah, I just started off, so it's going pretty good. Yeah. Tomorrow I gotta get some tires for this car. Hopefully this guy that I messaged will respond to me so I can get these tires. They're brand new tires for a very cheap price. He's asking like $150 for them. I'm gonna either buy them for $150 or a little bit less for some brand new tires, so hopefully I get those. But yeah, guys, that'll do it for the video. I'm trying to push out a lot of videos for this car since I am selling my car, but it's still my daily as of right now, so I will need, like, you know, tires or whatever to put on the car, even though it is for sale. But it'd be for the benefit of the car and for the person who might be buying it. But who cares? Still needs parts or whatever, but still very reliable car. I really don't want to get rid of this car, but it's winter time and it's grind season, so we gotta stack the money, you know. This car is costing me a lot of money in gas. I travel so much in this car, and the Honda Civic is just making it worse because it's just been sitting there for a week, and I just bought the car a month ago. So I gotta figure something out with the Honda Civic, but we're going.